In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Facebook messages, okay? This is going to be easy and you can do this within a few minutes. So make sure you follow the steps and you will be able to recover deleted Facebook messages, okay? Now, step number 1 would be to open Facebook on your phone. Next up, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and you want to scroll down and you want to click on Settings and Privacy, which is right there, and you want to click on Settings. Now once you're here, you want to find your Facebook information. Now that's right there, and under that section you want to find Download Your Information and click on Download Your Information. I'm going to do that right now. Now next up, you can actually find all of these different Facebook features and you can actually recover all of it, okay? So you can recover photos and videos, comments, all of that, but you're here to recover Facebook messages, okay? For that, you want to click on messages right there, and that's exactly how you can recover this. Now next up, you want to scroll down and then you can actually click right there on create file. But before you do that, you actually want to select a date range as well. Let's say you're looking for a message from last month. You can simply click on date range and then you can select the dates, okay? Now, for example, like I just said, if you want to recover messages for the last like 28 days or 30 days, whatever, you can click right there and you can then do that. If you want to do this for the last like 7 months, just go back and then select the date. It's as easy as that. Next up, you can also choose the format. So HTML would be the best so that you can just open it on any browser. Media quality, I would put that on high, and then you can click on create file right there. Now once you do that, it's actually going to create the file and it's going to come up with all your messages from the period that you selected, okay? Now if you don't like enter any specific date range, it will just recover all messages from your account. So if you signed up in 2012, whatever, then it will recover all the messages for the last 8 years, okay? Right now you have to be patient and just wait for Facebook to create the file, okay? So you can just close the app, it doesn't matter. It will still create the file. This might take a few hours, so just be patient. And if I just go back into my settings and then click on settings right there, you'll see that it's still creating the file. So you can simply close Facebook and you don't need to worry about that. Available copies and it's pending, as you can see right there. Now that's exactly how you can recover deleted Facebook messages. If you enjoyed this video, if this was helpful, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video and comment down below that this works. That means the world to me. I would appreciate that. Have a nice day and good luck recovering these Facebook messages.